Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this affordable lace closure wig. Starting off, I'm going to place and hold down my wig cap. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew down my lace closure. I have a complete video on my channel on how to sew down a lace closure. I'm going to put the link down below in the comment section. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's called CLORIS and it comes in 6 bundles in one pack and it's super affordable. More details about this hair will be in my description bars. Please go there and check it out. So after the installation, I just went ahead and cut off the extra lace on the front. I don't know what happened to that part of the video. So this is it, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.